Barbecuing is not just about grilling meat, it can be about exciting vegetable dishes. This is a dish I love. It's a sweet potato baked dish, and what we're going to do is bake up a bunch of sweet potatoes on our barbecue using it as an oven, and then we're going to dress it with a whole bunch of super fancy stuff. Now, one thing I want to show you about sweet potatoes is I don't want you to peel them. What I want you to do is knock the ends off with your knife and then under water scrub them. You want a little bit of that skin to stay on because there's a lot of flavor in that skin. What we're going to do then is just take them in a little bit of foil, wrap them up, and we're going to throw them all on the top shelf of your barbecue up here. Now those guys are going to take about 35 to 45 minutes, and that's a long time, but the great thing about cooking with natural gas is that I'm never going to run out because I'm not on a tank. Okay, my sweet potatoes are baked, soft and tender and very, very sweet. So I'm going to open up that foil, run a knife down the center, tear them open a little bit. I'm going to use Greek yogurt and squeeze in some hot sauce. Give that a little fold, a couple of dollops of that. I've got some green onions, a little bit of fresh chili, and some cilantro. There was no tank that ran out of gas. I didn't have to throw it in the car, go to the store, hope the store is open, bring the tank back, plug the tank in, done, cooked. You never run out of gas with natural gas. There they are, guys. Gorgeous roasted sweet potatoes garnished with yogurt, hot sauce, and anything you like.